Hello students, welcome back to the subject Social Science Standard 7, Our Changing Earth. In this video number 5, we are going to talk about the sea waves in detail. Okay, this is the sea waves. Features made by the sea waves. The features are sea caves, sea arcs, stake and sea cliff. Okay, these are the different features of sea waves. Just have a look. Sea caves, sea arcs, stake and sea cliff. This 4 you have to remember. The first one, sea cave. Okay, you can see the water gushing from this side, okay, and coming in. So this is sea cave. Let's understand in detail. Sea caves. A sea cave is also known as littoral cave, is a type of cave which is formed, okay, primarily by the wave action of the sea. It is a type of a sea cave, okay, which is termed as littoral cave, and it's a type of cave formed primarily by the wave action of the sea. The primary process involves the erosion. You can just see from here the water which is gushing in and coming in, that is termed as sea caves. It has a formation of rock on the top, okay, on the sides you have the walls which is formed, and from there the water gushes in. That is termed as sea caves. Just see the second term, that is sea arcs. When sea caves become bigger, okay, and bigger, only the roof of the cave remains then, forms the sea arcs. Here you can see the water which is there, okay. It tries to move faster. When the sea caves become bigger and bigger, the caves which you can see, okay, it rises up and it forms larger formations and it tries to create a roof of the cave, remains, then forms the sea arc. The roof which you can see from here is termed as the sea arc. You saw about sea cave, sea arcs, okay, that is the roof formation which you can see. The third term, the third feature is stakes, okay. Erosion, what it tries to do, it tries to break the roof and it falls apart and you have this things which are seen. Erosion breaks the roof and only the walls are left which you can see. This wall-like features are called stakes. Okay, the roof formation which is formed above with the flow of erosion, the breaking through the heavy rainfall and all, it tries to break and fall off because it's not that strong, right? So heavy rainfall, the waves which are rising in and coming down, in that what happens, it tries to break. So when the stakes are fallen apart, it tries to stay onto the water, okay. So this is the third one. Here you can see sea cliff, okay. The steep rocky coast rising almost vertically above sea water is called sea cliff, okay. The sea waves deposit sediments along the shores, forming the beaches. Here you can see the beaches which are formed. The steep rocky coast rising almost vertically above the sea water. You can see the sea water. This is termed as sea cliff, okay. Here you must have understood, student, with this topic. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.